Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you have an authorized SIMS account and the correct folder permissions. This prevents permission errors later. Once signed in, connect via VPN if you're off-site and prefer wired over wireless for stability. Open the SIMS client and confirm the target repository is visible. If it isn't, refresh or rescan. These initial checks save time, so make sure credentials match the project and that the network route is stable before you proceed to transfer files. Now you'll add and arrange files inside SIMS. Drag and drop or use the upload dialog to queue documents. Keeping file names and timestamps intact preserves auditability. Create a clear folder structure, project, date, or role so collaborators know where to look. If SIMS supports tags or metadata, apply them now to speed searching. Monitor the progress bar during batch uploads. If chunks fail, pause and retry the single failed item rather than restarting everything. Finish by verifying your uploaded files. Use checksum comparison or preview to confirm integrity so you don't propagate corrupted files. Once verified, set share permissions or create access links for collaborators and include expiration or role limits where appropriate. After sharing, test access from a secondary account if possible. If something goes wrong, clear the client cache, recheck folder permissions, and retry the upload. If errors persist, collect logs and contact your admin. These steps close the loop and keep the file share reliable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.